We paid a toll just to drive this road, and it turned into one of the best sections of the trip. Today we're heading through Austria towards Innsbruck, with mountain roads, good vibes, and the Lotus right where it belongs. This is the Octane road trip. Unlimited again, so yeah, let's brake, I guess. Oh yes! Trail braking, nice. Second gear, ooh! That's it, 4 is giving it some beans as well. The corners is where we excel. The road is so nice here. Already. Car in front of us is Lens Autos. Link in the description to his profile. Really, really nice guy. What is it now? What is it now? 30 or unlimited? Wow, that convoy must look so cool though. This is how it looks like driving in a convoy and what it feels like. I'm gonna insert the video now. The views combined with these roads, it's unreal.
I just had a little emotional chat to the camera there, just reflecting on 12 months ago that I was working in construction and this is now technically my job. Amazing.
Insane. I hope I can do the same sometime.
10 years it took, but you're onto a flyer already, mate, so I told you stick with it and you'll be there.
I've got time, yeah, I've got time.
As long as it happens before you're old and fat, don't worry about it. That's what I've always said.
Okay guys, this road is insane. It has gone on now for around half an hour and it's still going. And we're still stuck kind of behind some slow cars. It's 100 allowed and you're driving 60. Why? 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 What? Yeah, but look at this road. Wow, that would be so nice. 100 allowed here.
That's insane actually.
That's insane. Driving 40. That hurts. And the views as well. Wow. Okay, we are back on the highway. That was an absolutely amazing drive. It's definitely not the last time we've been here. We're gonna come back here again, 100%. Look at this lineup, guys. Wow. What a day. Again, if you want to drive the type of roads I drive, check out the Mivia app right now. I've got all my routes in there. You can just tap on them, put in the live navigation and you're good to go. Link in the description or QR code right here. And thank you Mivia for sponsoring this video. Simon, you're an absolute legend. There he is, doing business all the time. Business. Simon, how is that Mazda? Is it nice?
For me, honestly, forget the price. It's an amazing bit of kit, but if you think about the price in comparison to some of the cars here, like this one here, 110,000?
Exactly.
30 something? This is just what.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like this, does it? It doesn't look like this.
I can only see it in the mirror, James.
It does look pretty nice. It does sound pretty good though.
Don't think it sounds as good as that.
It sounds really good.
I know the exhaust.
Yeah, yeah.
Can't monetize that video.
Alright, let's get going. We made it. Oh, day is over and that's gonna be it for the day.
The next day.
Alright, we just washed the cars. Now we quickly had to move away because now I'm gonna dry it off a bit. A lot of bugs. They have now been cleaned. We're gonna be ready to go in a minute. Quick update, we can't fit anything more in the boot, so we're gonna put the roof in the BMW's boot as always. Lovely guy.
prepared my boot for you.
Thanks.
Nice, thank you. I love your boot. Creator life.
I don't know if that's coming across on camera. But
We're setting up the group navigation, which is a really nice feature on the Mivia app. We can all get an invite from Simon, and then we can all accept it, and then we can all see each other on the map. It's so cool.
Sweet, that's me.
All right, we're still in Austria. Look at this lineup. We have the Jaguar SVR, Mazda MX-5, Z4, M4, M240i, my lovely Lotus Elise, got that beautiful Mercedes right here, and the Audi TT-RS. In idle, it also sounds really, really mean. Woo! Poor Spider also coming in. Look at that. Simon, I think you've got a Mazda under your box.
It's like a tiger stripe wrap.
Okay, I get it, okay. Alright, officially the first POV of day 4. We just had to pay the toll for this road. I think it was €6 per car. The absolute legend Simon paid for every one of us. Really nicely organized road trip, this Octane. If you want to check out the Octane road trip, check the link in description or the QR code up here right now. Download the Mivia app and you can do this road trip yourself. Or obviously also get on with the organized road trip from Mivia, which I personally would suggest because it's absolutely amazing. Don't have to think about anything, just drive, get to the hotel, everything is booked. It's just so cool. Couldn't be nicer, and these roads are so good. I'm gonna slow down, let these people drive a little bit because they are slow as hell. Oh, nice, a bridge. Gonna give it a bit of gas in here. I think we waited long enough. We can take some nice corners here because wow, this road. Oh no, we already caught up.
We're gonna wait again.
This road is insane. I see why you pay €6 for that. Woo! Those sound nice, those bikes. For the Mercedes and the BMW M240i, is there any possibility you can let me pass, please?
Yep, Roger, give us a sec. Go.
But the cyclists. And again, it's 100 allowed here, which is super nice. Yahoo! We're gonna catch up to them in no time. Chill by the pedestrians a little bit. Oh no! We already caught up!
Sorry about this, Jack. We're doing our best.
I would love to drive this road with the K-trim as well. This looks sick. Also, the K-trim would be a little bit thinner, not as wide, easier to cross. It's probably impossible to drive this road without any traffic. But imagine having no traffic on this road and just blasting here at the speed limit. It's 100, by the way. Speed limit is 100 kilometers an hour on this road, which you're probably not gonna hit a lot of times. Oh, my back is sweating. That road was insane. But again, it was like €6 just to drive that short stretch of a road. Maybe it's more thought of like a campsite. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna snap you to a point where it's fun again. Next stop at a lake.
So hot.
It's so hot. Look at that. So that is how a real creator looks like. All professional.
There we go.
Drone shots.
Beautiful shots. This is
Videoception.
behind the scenes.
Obviously you can't be at a lake like this and not skip a rock. Yeah, or just fail. One more go. Nice. So warm. Definitely have visible back sweat and ass crack sweat. I think we're moving on.